Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you the replacement pads that I purchased for the Aqua Lazer Steam mop. This is the actual steam mop that I'm using. It's the Aqua Lazer Steam mop. I purchased this many years ago. All you do is just fill the water tank with cold water, turn it on, and when you see the steam coming out, that's when you start mop. This is the original pad, microfiber pad that came with the steam mop. So the idea is to find another one to replace it with. The first thing you need to do is just make sure you have the right measurements. So for this particular case, just measure the length and the height. So just measure the length. So this is 28 by, it's like 21, so 28 by 21. I'll show you where I bought my one and where I bought the replacement pads. Just make sure you get one that has the cord at the bottom. This is the replacement pads that I purchased. It came in a 6-pack and it was very useful to have multiple spares. I made sure that the length and the height is the same as the other one, so 28 and 21. Came with the cord at the bottom as well. So this is the one that I purchased. I'll put a link in the description where I purchased my one from as well, and I'll show you how to put it on the steam mop. Let me show you the replacement pads that I purchased. It came in a pack of 6. They're all microfiber and they all have the black ties. They look like they're from AQ Cleaning or some brand, but it doesn't really matter. They're all the same. So in order to put these on, it's a bit awkward showing it on the camera. Just make sure all the corners are covered and it's in the right shape. Pull the cord and lock it in. It's got that little strap. Just press on the button, pull the strap in so it's nice and tight. You can use it to just replace them when you see it dirty. So that's how it looks like. It's going to show you in action, so I'm just going to turn it on. These mops are great for different type of surfaces, whether it's tiles, carpet, or even using it on these floorboards. It's just a pushing back and forth. Just gotta make sure the steam is actually on. You see the steam coming out. One of the other tricks to do is to just tuck that black cord so it's not in the way. Just tuck it in. And that's it. You can mop away. Hope this video helped. If it did, give it a like and subscribe to the channel.